Hello everyone, I hope all are doing great. Today in this video, we are going to see about cyberbullying. See, cyberbullying is there in the internet. Sometimes students, you may not be knowing what is cyberbullying and you would have also done that. You are hurt, sometimes your ego hurts and you want to take revenge upon people, and at times you, just for fun, you go and comment unwanted things, sharing unwanted messages in the group. So these are all called as cyberbullying. So as I said, you would have also done that, and sometimes you may be also a victim of cyberbullying. Today we will see about what all the things come under cyberbullying. At the same time, how to react when you are cyberbullied, and also how to be a responsible internet user. See, you may be thinking it is for fun only, but then it is considered as a serious offense and is punishable under cyber law. Now let us see what all the things come under cyberbullying. Now, when we talk about what all are included in cyberbullying, first is abusive comments, nasty comments with the intent to hurt people on social networking sites, not only social networking sites, but also in all the other platforms which we use in internet. Then sometimes you or people tend to create fake email IDs or profile in your name, and then they used to send again abusive messages through that. Maybe they may sometimes ask or demand for money, threaten people. So this also comes under cyberbullying. Sometimes embarrassing photograph of yours is being shared with other groups just to defame you without your permission, and spreading rumors about you or else anybody else, that also comes under cyberbullying. Sometimes stealing other people's password, hacking other people's account to find out what are they into it, and from that ID sending messages to people, wrong messages to people. All these things includes in cyberbullying. And sometimes we hurt others in the chat. Then, as I said, false online profiles are created. These are all done. Some may do it with intention to spoil others' reputation or defame them, or just for fun, or to hurt people, or sometimes it is just to take revenge. So now let us come to the point when a person is cyberbullied. How do they feel? They are depressed, anxiety is there, and they don't want to be in social groups, and sometimes they may take extreme steps also. So how to, in case if you are cyberbullied, then how to take care of that, how to react or how to respond to that to control cyberbullying. So as I said, when a person is cyberbullied, first thing is mentally harassed, right? So what all the things you should do when somebody cyberbullies you? Now, first and foremost is we have many means and ways to control that. If somebody tends to bully you on cyberspace, then first thing is you can block them. You can report and block also. The second thing is you need to discuss with some adults, your parents, your sister brothers, your school teachers, coordinators, principals, whomever you are comfortable to share honestly, you should get in touch with them. Before anything, when a person cyberbullies by sending unwanted messages, photos, or anything, you need to be aware that you need to take screenshot of that and then keep it with you as evidence. Because if this extends to legal procedure, definitely you will be asked to share the evidences. So it is always safe when somebody is ill-treating or misbehaving on cyberspace, then you need to definitely have some evidences, so that take screenshots and save it for later use. You, as I said, adults should be get in touch with and then discuss, and then they will guide you. You may be guided sometime to the extreme level of deleting your social networking account until everything settles down. There are many kinds of controlling this. You can set your privacy setting to the high level and do not connect with anybody who doesn't know you physically. You compare this, that when you walk on street, you will not go and talk to anybody and everybody who is moving on the street, So take this virtual platform also the same way. Never ever get connected with people whom you do not know in the real world. And then there are so many updates available. You can use all of them for keeping your account safe. And there is an appropriate age to start with all these social networking sites. You have to follow that also. And in case you think after hearing all these things that I have also done damage to somebody, I have also insulted people, I have also sent abusive messages. See, in case if you have also involved yourself in this kind of activities, you can always start again, delete your account which you used to do all these cyberbullying, and you can start again with a new account following all the guidelines and be a responsible internet user. So one mantra you all should keep in mind, that is, think before you click the button to submit. Think well. If this comment comes to you, how will you take it? If it is making you unhappy, if you think it will make you unhappy, then never ever press the click button. So children, be safe in cyberspace and be a responsible user of internet. CBSE has come up with a wonderful leaflet regarding this cyberbullying. I will be definitely sharing you the link so that you can keep it with you and check whether you're following all those guidelines or not, right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.